Well, thanks for joining us on air and streaming live on our News 4 app. Tonight, you're about to see just how far Tennessee is lagging far behind other states in providing information about COVID-19 in your county.
News 4 Investigates has been examining specific, highly local information collected by states that's being released to the public, specifically how they're tracking people who have come in contact with those infected by COVID-19. Chief Investigative Reporter Jeremy Finley found Tennessee isn't releasing anything.
The fight against COVID-19 is separating the country, not just forcing people to stay apart, but also in how information is revealed in each state about contact tracing. That's the effort to call people who've come in direct contact with the sick to see if they too are showing symptoms. Take a look at Massachusetts. They not only show how many people need to be traced, but the percentage showing how successful they are in actually finding them. Look at Maryland. It too has lots of data. You can actually scroll day by day and see how successful they are in contacting the potentially exposed within 24 hours. And check out New Jersey. They actually have how many staff members in each county are doing contact tracing. And Tennessee? Well, it doesn't provide anything.
Tennessee isn't revealing anywhere near that kind of information.
I asked the commissioner of the Department of Health about it, even cited some examples.
D.C. shows how many contacts were reached within 24 hours. So why isn't the state being more transparent and more forthcoming with information like this about contact tracing?
Yeah, that's a good question, and contact tracing is an integral part of the entire response.
In fairness, Commissioner Piercy does provide some data in news conferences, like how often there are roughly 1,700 contact tracers are finding the potentially sick within 24 hours.
We're getting that mark most of the time, not all of the time.
But none of it is detailed online, nor have they ever released any public documents showing it.
But the question is, why isn't that data being shared with the public?
All of the active cases in any county are attempted to be traced. I'm not sure how helpful the contact tracing productivity metrics are, but that's certainly a good suggestion we can look at.
We'll let you know if that suggestion becomes something one day you can actually find online. Jeremy Finley, News 4 Investigates.
Jeremy, thank you. And we have put the links online for the states mentioned in the story, as well as Tennessee, so you yourself can compare and contrast. That's on our app right now.